Welcome to my channel, and welcome to this first time out of the bag, brand spanking new Lone Rider Moto Tent. Now, the challenge for me today was, it was very, very windy. And it's the first time I've done it. So it's brand new. I only got it the other day, and I thought, get out there, get it put up. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see how easy it is to put up. So this is what I did. So as you can see, the wind is blowing a bit, and I thought if I do it quickly, the wind won't affect it quite so much. So I laid it out, I got it out of the bag, sorted out where the poles were, sorted out where the pegs were, and because the wind was blowing so much, I had to peg down the sort of the small end, as it were, and then put the poles in, and that was a bit of giggle. And yeah, so trying to fight against the wind, film and talk at the same time, yeah, it was all a bit of fun. And then trying to get it stood up in the wind. God dear, didn't I have some fun? But persevered, finally got there. It would be so much easier if it wasn't blowing quite so windy. So we had a good look around it, and once I got it set up, it was time then to take it down again. So that's what I did. Boom, here we go. Right, and zip it up. Had a little bit of trouble with the zip, had to sort of ease it off a bit. Got the zip down. The little drawstrings were great. They fold away into their own little pouch, and then yeah, the takedown, or the takedown was a little bit quicker than the putting up. I must admit, it's a bit quicker to demolish something than it is to build it. So that's what I did. So there you can see, I'm really busy, and I have my handy cameraman. He's doing some filming for me, and just keeping an eye on the cameras, and just to see that I was doing it right. Not that he knows how to do it. So, yeah, so all in all, my top tip is don't put it up in a really windy day unless you actually have to. But there you go, that is the Lone Rider Moto Tent, erected and derected. Thank you.